The road to successful dissertation completion is long and arduous, but I am determined to cross the finish line. To get to my final destination, I have determined 3 keys to my success. The first key to successful dissertation completion is organization. I will utilize my strong organizational skills to manage the wealth of research materials I would gather and to help me stay focused. I will use my time wisely to stay on top of my work and get each chapter completed. The second key to completing my doctoral journey is having the perseverance and grit to get it done. There is no doubt in my mind that things are going to get really tough. I recognize that I'm going to be pushed out of my comfort zone and will even face failure along the way. I am determined to have a growth mindset and persevere through challenges. I will call upon my inner grit to push forward to my goal. The final key to completing my dissertation is relationships. I am lucky enough to have strong friends and family members who will support me through thick and thin. They will lift me when I fall, push me when I lose momentum, and celebrate my successes. I also look forward to forging relationships with my committee chairs and fellow doctoral candidates. I believe their support and guidance will help me get across that finish line. Thank you for your support over the past 10 weeks. You have helped me to learn and grow as an educator and a doctoral candidate. I am excited to move forward and get started on my dissertation journey.